what to do if you've got missing paint in a little patch on your wall or your ceiling, and you need to try and blend it in. You don't want to have to paint the whole ceiling again, but you also don't want a big splotch of new paint. Well, whatever method you used to paint it originally, you got to repeat, otherwise you're going to have a different look to it. So if you use a brush now and stipple it, or brush it across. If you used a roller, you use a roller on this now. So same exact paint. What I do, we used a roller. What I do is this. Here's the hole, right next to a light. The reason this hole is here is because the plasterboard screw is posted through the paintwork and left a big chip. So I've got the roller and I dab the end with the paint. End is very important. It's a brand new roller. And I just dab it on. Just enough to truly cover all of it in a consistent depth. Okay? It's giving it texture. You see that? Not easy to see. But now, you get a new roller. Fresh, has to be fresh. Obviously you use it gradually, but see how I've used it on this corner and not the next? When it's wet, I use it on this side. I'm trying to get right up under there, you see that? See if the flashlight would help this. Helps it better. Obviously it looks much worse now with the flashlight on it because it's still wet. Obviously I put filler on the hole as well. So that is now quite wet. So what I'll do is change the area of this that I'm using to the dry side, the unused side. Gently work it. Take time, don't spread it too thin, definitely don't be tempted to brush across. Now that doesn't look very nice. Give it a bit of time to dry. It's a different tone, obviously it's darker because it's wet. Let's see how that looks in an hour or so. Here's the result. So this is midday light coming through. The damage is there. You see it now, if I cast a shadow on it. Now, that is because the paint is dried, obviously thicker on top of the existing paint. But it's kind of like snow blindness. You don't really see it unless you get right up close. It's not the perfect one. I've done a couple more over here on this light where they look better. See that one? If I cast a shadow on it. And then, gosh, where's the other one? There. Yeah, you see that? So, if I come down, I can't really see it with my own eyes. If I put the light on, and I go full beam with it, it's even worse trying to see it because it blinds the area. So this is directly behind the light, but let's bypass the light and go right up to it. I really can't see. There we go, if I cast a light on it, there it is. So it does work. It does work stippling it. It's not perfect, it's not the professional finish. You really have to paint the whole thing, but if you don't want to have to, then it is a good option.